Welcome back, everybody. So, today I just quickly wanted to hop on here and make an update video for yesterday's NG trading bot video. There was some important stuff that I found out and some things that I forgot to mention. So, I just quickly wanted to hop on here and update you guys on all of the relevant information. If you have not seen yesterday's video yet, or you don't know what NG Trading Bot is, I will leave a link to the video up in the right hand corner of the video right now, so you can check it out. Okay, anyway, let's jump right into the video. So, after getting the yesterday's video published, I decided that I wanted to join the official NG Trading Bot Telegram group. So I contacted their support and asked for the invite link, and I got to know that you need to do a KYC. I had no idea that you had to do this. I was like, what? I have not heard about this before at all. So yeah, I personally did the KYC, and you know, I totally get if you don't want to do the KYC, if you want to stay anonymous. I would very much prefer not to do one, but I was like, hey, I'm already invested and I frankly didn't see it as a big deal, so I decided to do the KYC. So if you have already signed up for the NG Telegram Passive Income Trading Bot, this is how you do the KYC. It's super simple actually, and it doesn't take a long time at all. You simply just head over to the NG Trading Bot on Telegram, you click on Help, and from here you can see this is the NG Trading Bot Telegram support. Simply just click that, tell them you want to do the KYC, and they will ask you for a quick video, really simple video of you just holding your ID and saying your name. Super simple, it only took like 1 hour and I was approved. If you got any issues, you can always hit me up in my Telegram group and I will help you get set up. After doing the KYC, you will also be invited to their official Telegram group. And yeah, NG will be rebranding to Hedge Fund AI, which, if you watched yesterday's video, I think it's a great idea. You know, NG, Nike Gold. I am not a fan of that name. I think it's pretty stupid actually. They were literally like asking for a trademark violation. But yeah, great that they are rebranding to Hedge Fund AI. I also think that is a very nice sounding name. Hedge Fund AI. Easy to remember and sounds a lot more professional. So yeah, expect to see a lot of content about Hedge Fund AI coming out in the near future on this channel. Let's get this crypto. Okay, before signing off, I thought that I will quickly show you my dashboard. So I have only been in this bot for 24 hours now. So if we have a look here at my balance, you can see the LTC that I put in, and I have already earned some commissions. So I have earned some ETH and some LTC. Very nice, very nice. And as you can see, my base rate is 0.7% per day, which is a freaking solid, dude. So if we have a look here at my history, you can see I have already received my earnings and the rewards. From my dashboard I can also view my team, and this is where you find your invite link as well. Yeah, this is such a cool project, you know. I love that they have everything on Telegram and it's running so freaking smoothly. Like withdrawals and deposits only take a few seconds. There are no fees, no taxes, and the minimum withdrawal limit is like 2 cents, which is insane. Like, it's unheard of with these trading bot projects. So yeah, if this is something you would be interested in, I have links to everything in the description and in the comment section down below, so you can check it out. You can hit me up in my Telegram group if you got any questions. I would be happy to answer them. And yeah, if you're looking to get into this, I would recommend getting in before they rebrand to hedge fund AI. They have limited spots, so yeah, get in before it's too late. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research. Never invest more money than you can afford to lose. Like always, like the video, leave me a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my Telegram group, all of that good stuff. But most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.